وقل رب زدني علما.
How do women do i'tikaf? In the house. So how do women do i'tikaf, then what happens?
They wouldn't leave the home. No.
They can't do itikaf.
Can't do i'tikaf in the house?
They can, but obviously exclude themselves to it or whatever.
There is no such thing as i'tikaf in the house. It's a big mistake that people think women do i'tikaf at home. Widespread. I'tikaf can only be done as an act of worship of i'tikaf in the mosque. Women staying in their room at home doesn't class as this type of i'tikaf that is being mentioned here. A lot of people think that, and it's always mentioned everywhere. Women, if they want to do i'tikaf, if they have permission of their household, from their father or their husband, if they're married, and the responsibilities at home can be taken care of, everything can be dealt with, and they have permission to leave and go and do i'tikaf in the mosque, and it's safe, and the mosque is close by, and the facilities in the mosque are secure and secluded, it's all safe and good, then a woman can go and do the i'tikaf in the mosque, in the women's side. That's how it's done. If a woman does not have permission from her husband, she's needed at home, the responsibilities, the household duties cannot be fulfilled, the kids, everything, the husband can't do it, then she can't go. She will get reward for staying at home and fulfilling her rights and duties and responsibilities. If she can, those things can be taken care of, and she has permission, and there is a secluded area in the mosque, secluded, tight, secure, separated, and secure from outside and everything else, then yes, she can go with the permission of her husband to the mosque and do i'tikaf. But there's no i'tikaf in staying in the house in the room or anything like that. So that is regarding the women and the i'tikaf.